Hello everyone, I'm back with another trading session. Today we're going to take a couple of trades. You see that we are creating this base right here. We have been dropping from the previous time. We have a beautiful doji here. And look at this. After this doji, we have a crazy gap down, but they just keep going because this is a breakaway gaps. They broke this and just keep going. This is not the gap that we want. So here we have this doji inside of the space, and you know that the market is trying to switch between these two levels. So I will of course consider to take a trade if we're breaking this to the upside. And I will take two trades here because I really love this. Oh, don't reject. No, bro. Okay, I take a trade right here because it would be amazing if it was closing here. But no problem, I go two more trades here because I know that it's gonna reject and some candle we might have like this. But if it doesn't reject, it means that I have 3 losses. So you know that I will not take these double trades on a setup that I'm not sure about. So let's see. This is one of those setups. Do you remember the previous candle? How it rejected the last seconds? This one also is kind of the same, okay? Let's see. No, there's not any gap or something. Yeah, it's just market's behavior. Sometimes different markets have different behaviors in terms of candles movement. I will add a couple of pairs. Let me see. Yeah, this is the first trade. Don't reject, bro. Don't play with me. Okay, let's see. Let me see where it's closing. Oh, it's closing exactly on the previous price entry, but I'm not sure about this because you see that it's let's see. I mean, this area is the best area for going with the bars, so I will just keep going. All right, we have the seller's area and this is the buyer's area. They're just switching between the levels like that, and then if we're gonna close up here, I would go with the sellers. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, it didn't give me entry, so just gonna go for the next trade. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is still the same doji breakaway gap. It didn't work. I don't know, we might. Come on, go up a little bit. Okay, I take a trade right here. Okay, because you know why? You know that the market is coming down, so this is gonna be my first supply area, and again another ABC to the downside containing this little doji right here. So this area is also supply area. But look what we have here. We have a doji here. You know, if you zoom in, I can't zoom in more than this. If you zoom in, you will see that this doji has been broken with this candle, so we took this trade if you remember. And then again, we have this broken with this candle. So again, we can take a doji trade. But this time is different. But this time, this supply area also comes into the game. So we actually have the supply area broken, and my priority is just considering this one. All right. And again, breakaway, overlapping level. You know that the overlapping level creates a supply area. So for now, we just learned two things. I'm saying this for new people here because I know that some people are new here and they don't know my favorite setups. So this is a doji and this is overlapping level. Basically, I like to trade break and retest. Like look at this. When we breaking a doji from the downside or upside, we're gonna take a reversal trade. If we have other reasons, I'm not saying only one reason. This one, this is also the same for the overlapping level, just like this one. When we're breaking that to the upside with this candle, we're gonna have this trade. Okay, this is the doji, this is the overlapping level. You might ask, oh, is this possible only for this kind of gaps? No, we might have one of these gaps, but this area is also supply area, so it's also for another gaps as well. So what is the philosophy behind the doji trade? You know that the dojis are strong candles, they're not weak candles, they're not indecision freaking candle. I mean, they are indecision, but in a good way. Okay, so they create us ranges, and you know that when we have a strong range, the market tends to switch between these levels. So since this is strong and it's getting stronger over time, when people see that, oh, every time they're rejecting from here, so maybe I have to join next time. So when we're breaking this, they see this as opportunity. When we breaking this range to the upside, just like here, if this is the range, they're breaking this to the upside. They see the opportunity and they want to take advantage of that. And they push it to the range. That's why strong ranges tend to just come back after breaking that. Okay, so that was my 2 trades. For now, look at this. We are breaking this doji one more time. Okay, we broke this 2 times, and then again we are breaking this one more time. But I only take 1 time. So you know what? I will take a 50 here just to see what's going to happen. Okay, since it's not even closing on this round number, it's super risky. I told you only one reason is not enough. And the way I manage my risk, when I have a high risk trade, if I'm taking trade with 200 and there's a trade with high risk, I go with 50. Basically 1 out of 4. Okay. And you're probably wondering, what is this tool? This is called Epic Pen. Okay. And you can download it in my Telegram channel. That's free, of course. And yeah, you can just join the Telegram channel and download it. So this was another trade that I took based on this doji, but since it was like, I mean, imagine if this was closing on this round number, that would be fire. Okay, but unfortunately it didn't, and it was possible to just drop to this area because this is another fresh demand area. So we have 2 fresh demand areas, and the market will try to somehow touch this and then go up and touch this. So you know what? I will do something right now. I will mark these 2, and I will try to pinpoint. I will try to find that exact area, and market will try to touch. Okay, at the lower time frame. If you haven't watched the lower time frame entry in the QM video, I have a full guide of QMs. You can watch the video. I'll go to the lower time frame. I will see that. Okay, so for now, this is the area, and for this one, this is going to be the area. We go to the lower. These are 2, demand and supply, and I will see that what's going to happen. I will go with this red one. Okay. So let's go to the next chart. All right. Look at this. This is the same some sort of ranging market, but this time we have this in 1 minute time frame. It's not a doji. We might see a doji in higher time frame, but yeah, you see this spinning candles. Spinning candles are also some sort of dojis, and they're just representing the ranging market. When you have a spinning candle, it means that it's, yeah, you see that 10-minute time frame. It means that every single candle is 10 minutes. So inside of this candle, it's going to be 10 candles. Okay, and you see this doji is sign of ranging market. Let me just mark it for you, and you will find 10 candles inside of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's in a ranging market. And now you understand why I say that dojis are strong candles. Okay, I will go. Oh my god, it jumped. I hadn't time to change the amount to 200, but anyways, no problem. I take this trade because if you look here, we have a very sudden push of sellers, and then the buyers came and created this ABC to the upside. Trend continued. I mean, they made this trend confirmation. Look at this. It's coming from this strong demand area. And now why I did this take trade. I did take this trade. Look at this. If I consider this as a strong buyer's entry and I take in the line, you'll see that this one is strongly, like exactly closing in this area. So obviously the buyers can enter. Plus we have this one touch, second touch has been broken at the third touch, and now buyers should enter. Okay. And I just want to say thank you for supporting everybody. That means a lot for me. and your comments and your likes and everything just inspires me to you know, create more videos like this for you guys. Thank you. Oh, this trade was takeable as hell, bro. Look at that. This is Marbuzu candle breaking this overlapping level. Anyways, thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.